not something which is difficult for the administration to answer. Tomorrow we'll close down. People will say you have closed down without telling us. So now we are telling you we are closing down. You give us the money to close us down.
So what do you think is the real problem?
I don't know.
Why do not get
See, let the CM give an answer to this. I said first for you, I am not going to make any accusations against nobody. I am come for the money. If there is no money, you send us home. We have to detain everyone. We told him we'll come and sit in the police station with all the residents. Let them detain everybody. No?
How many are there with you now?
Now there are 65 ladies.
65 ladies.
तुम्ही आता पोया मरे पी आय किती म्हणतात आता लेट पी आय टॉक नो
मामलेदार
didn't talk to us anything. She said you cannot go there. Finished. Because you have no appointment. If we had appointment, we would have gone directly. Why will come here? Last time they gave us appointment, we went, he sorted it out. This time they didn't give appointment.
This is some harassment is going on.
I am not commenting on this.
The appointment at least CM also.
We asked him on Monday, we sent him a letter, nobody replied to us. But secretary was at the end of the month. So दुसरं कोण secretary येला त्याने तो एग्री सांग ना आमचे पत्ते उठतले तर secretary तांकां सांगला minister तांकां सांगला 15 तारीख तांकां order दी.
Till yesterday evening, you were waiting for CM because we were following up with you. You said still we did not get. Did you reach out to CM's office to see what is the status there?
I WhatsApped the person in charge who was kept by CM to help us. And he did not reply to my message. Okay, we WhatsApped finance also. He said he will talk to someone. See, this is an administration problem. So, who is the administration? That the police should call them, or ask them something. If he wants us to sit all 65 people here, we'll sit. We don't have any problem. You can't tell me to sit and 60 people will sit in the odd somewhere.
But this issue has been happening for the last 1.5
See,
to 2
people
years.
are not understanding.
And you are coming on the street every time, sometime to be positive about the steps, sometime to be
Negative. See, when the money
Not
comes, we
negative.
are positive. When it does not come, we have to get negative now.
yeah. But why only you have to? Is it the responsibility of the respective departments to follow up?
So you all should ask
Somebody should be
you all
ownership.
when you all take this initiative with the minister or with the CM, you all should ask them this question. Sir, these people are shouting there. You all are not given the money. You all have promised the money. You all should ask them some question also. No? See, we are telling our side. You all have to take their side bite also. No? What they are saying. No? It can be only that we are grumbling and they are not even having any issue with it.
So this problem from when it is
Now,
started?
this is now almost this is the third year we are fighting.
For what reason? Because of
For funds,
director
no?
or some?
See, wherever we go, people have one notion. NGOs are making money. You say police are bad, doctors are bad, advocates are bad, government officials are bad, ministers, everybody is bad. So who is good? Press is bad, press is biased. If we go on finding fingers with everybody, we are back to this solution. So if there is somebody better than the next person, he should do it, no? If the minister is not good, you become the minister, or you become the press guy, you become the doctor and do. Commenting is easy. Commenting is easy, no? Everybody is finding fault with everybody. We have to understand, Baba, it doesn't work because you are saying I'm bad, I become bad, or because you are saying I'm good, I become good. There should be systems. No? How we are going to survive with the people increasing on the street?
Donald, are you indicating the reason you're not getting your due funds is because they think that you have enough funds?
Let us say each and every government official is taking bribe. Comes to the same thing, na? If you think bad about me, I think bad about you. It's very simple. See, who is stopping those officials from putting up their own NGOs, taking the government money and looking out for people? Nobody is stopping anybody, no? Nobody is stopping me from becoming this government official. So, let us not go somewhere. Let us find out why is the CM's word not being given the due importance. That is the point of discussion. Or the minister's word, or the secretary's word. No? Let us talk to these three people, CM, minister and secretary. Let us not go beyond that, no?
But now, other than police station, you have been arrested or detained.
No,
What
he
exactly?
said he'll have to detain me. So I told him we'll bring all the residents and sit here. Let them make some arrangement for them to sit.
But why they wanted to detain you?
Because they didn't say. He said we will have to detain you if you go to the chief minister's house. So we told him we'll come to the police station and sit.
That alternative.
Alternative we'll give and we'll bring them also inside. So let them come to some problem. See, it is a very simple solution. Somebody has to call somebody and ask them what's the problem. So
In the vehicle?
50 inmates and about 20 caregivers
Yeah.
just to manage them. 2 doctors are there full time and our normal volunteers. Here,
75, 80.
we can take at least 10 inmates inside. No? See, until police don't see our problem, or until somebody does not see the problem, how will you know that? It is like I said, NGOs are only asking for money.
I mean, we have been following this now for quite some time now. It's totally irritating and disgusting. In the manner the whole scenario has been handled. आम्ही गेले पण आम्ही सांगलेलें की आम्ही PIL फायल करतले म्हणून पण जेन्ना पळय CMन एश्युरन्स दिले आनी ती बजेट एलोकेट केले आनी ते आमकां सांगून दिले की पैसे दितले म्हणून तर आम्ही डिसायड केले टू वेट फॉर सम टायम पूण आतां म्हाका दिसता PIL इज दी ओनली सोल्युशन एंड वी वील इम्प्लिकेट बोथ द डायरेक्टर्स because it's quite clear in the press and it's quite clear everywhere that the CM has allocated the budgetary allocation has been made, but the directors are not moving the files. I mean, this is a standard procedure in any administrative setup where the directors are supposed to take it on themselves and do what is required. Proceed with the file, give the file and ask for approvals and all this and distribute the money. So, अशें दिसता की the directors are not interested. एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां आमचे डायरेक्टर भाव आनी भयणींक बाबा ही गजाल या जे पळय कोणाक हें ना घर ना जे पळय रस्त्यार आसा जे पळय आम आदमी जे पळय हे लोक पळय रस्त्यार आसा ते काम एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंटाचें. वॉट इज द मिनींग ऑफ सोशल वेलफेअर? यू लुक एट वेलफेअर ऑफ whom? Whether it is, you look at welfare of those who are unfortunate, correct? Now if these people, the directors, don't understand the meaning of social welfare and well-being, then I think these people are not fit to be in the departments. And it is my strong appeal. As a volunteer, I can feel the pulse of so many unfortunate people who are there, and they are trying their very. We are trying our very best to see that they are being given a shelter, given treatment, given all the basic amenities of life. So I think. It's not fair. It's not fair for and I think the CM has to take strong notice of all this, because ultimately कोणाचे नाव पिड्यार जाता it is the whole administration, and the administration is under the CM's nose. So I think the CM has to take an initiative. Why you all don't get these people removed if they don't have humanity, if they don't have humility? If these people are not concerned about humanity, then they should be removed from their post, and somebody else who is really concerned with the welfare of the people should be put into that place. I mean, this is completely unfair. It looks as if the whole social welfare department is biased. He is only taking care of other things rather than the basic amenities of humanity. Baba, humility तर करशी तुम्ही आंच बोडे जातले आनी तुम्ही ह्युमिलिटी तर तुम्ही मेंटेन करना जाल्यार तुम्ही देवसार जातले अशें म्हाका दिसता. I mean, angels have become devils. Okay, so if you all want to go by that standard formula where angels become devils, then it's very sad.
be kept here till we get assurance. We will not leave this place. We are visiting the collector now to hand over a representation. We'll see what the collector is saying. These are psychiatric ladies. These are ladies with disabilities. These are senior citizens. And we will not be leaving this place till we get some commitment when our grants, when our orders are going to be given. So very soon, once we finish the collector, you will see the ladies all sitting here outside the police station, and then they'll have to detain all of you. You cannot detain only 3 of us. You have to detain everybody, otherwise I'm not taking anybody back.
तुम्ही जेल बरोबर
No, jail baro. We are come peacefully. We are come because these are some of them are brought from this police station also. So let him take his patients back. Let the PI take his patients back, and then remaining will go and give to all the police stations. So we are not going away. Food is being provided by Navtara at the moment. We are going to meet the collector. We will come back, and then all will be brought into the police station. But we want an order, or we want a commitment which is not difficult when you are giving us the orders. Nothing is difficult. The money is there. We will not leave this place. It is going to create health issues. Government should get 108 and keep it here to safeguard the interest of the inmates. Otherwise, the responsibility lies with the government. Thank you so much. We have visited the deputy collector with the inspector. We have given him a representation which we demanded that our funds from these 3 departments should be released. And initially he said to wait for few days, which we have not agreed. We have told him we will sit here till we get an assurance from wherever he is going to give this representation that when they are going to give us the orders. Till we don't get any confirmation, we are not leaving this place. We have called 108 just to hang around because they are old ladies. We are trying to move the buses to the shade so that the ladies are not affected. But we are not leaving the place till we get an assurance, which is a very simple solution. Somebody needs to call somebody and find out what is the problem. So till that time, we will be waiting for the collector to get back to us. So 70% have been given 20,000 allocation, and 30% have been given 12,500 allocation. It's a substantial amount. So let us see. That's what the CM has put. We do not know how much they are going to give us. Whether they are going to give us what we asked the CM, or they are going to cut and give us something. So
what have you done again raising this issue for the past so many years? You met CM, there was a meeting, and what has happened to all this?
nothing, absolutely nothing. The administration is only understanding that NGOs are making money and asking for grants, which we have said that if you feel that we are asking for grants, you don't give us the grants and close us down. We are ready to shut down tomorrow morning if the government passes one order. No hard feelings against nobody. When the budget has been put by the CM, that means the CM is aware that there is a demand. But these gentlemen and gentle lady or the staff or administration, whoever we call it, is not understanding what we are saying. So we will not leave till we get an assurance. Let them check with the administration what is the problem. Let them give their side of the story. Why they have delayed. When it was assured that 15th of May the orders will be given, Minister assured, Secretary assured.
How many senior citizens are?
Now in this 60 what we brought, at least 30 will be senior citizens. That too with disabilities.
What is the number that per scheme are there under?
We are having close to 190. Out of which 90% are goals. We are not taking any non-goals into our home for the last 6 months. So now it is close to 1 o'clock. We are outside Panji police station. Honorable CM has called us for a meeting tomorrow. We will place our issues in front of the Honorable CM. DYSP Tushar has been kind enough to get us an appointment, which we will get an appointment. Tomorrow we will meet the CM. We will tell him, we will remind him of whatever was assured to us, and we will tell him that we are unable to carry on beyond 31st May because we don't have the money. So as of now, all the ladies will be sent back. We will also be going. We also don't want to hang around in the heat. यहाँ गोर भी चोट जाता. थोडे जाण मातशें स्ट्रेस जाला. सो फाल्यां रावतले आमी CMच्या अपॉयंटमेंटाक. CMक आमी सांगतले सगळे कितें आहा ते फॅक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स आमी फॉरवर्ड करतले. बँक स्टेटमेंट घेवन वयतले, ताका दाखयतले आमचे कडेन कितले पयशे उरला ते. आनी नेक्स्ट स्टेप आय एम शुअर दॅट वी हॅव फेथ दॅट बिकॉज CM एज गिवन द मनी वील मेक द ऑर्डर्स ऑल्सो गेट इट आउट टू अस.
कितलो टायम जालो तुमकां प्रॉब्लम फेस करचो पडटा?
हो आता जे प्रॉब्लम आहा न्हू, आता आमी आतां स फावटी येयला 3 वर्सांनी. सो आतां सद्याक प्रॉब्लम ना. सद्याक प्रॉब्लम इगोचो, पयसांचो प्रॉब्लम ना. इतल्या वर्सां पयसांचो प्रॉब्लम आसलो, आतां पयसांचो प्रॉब्लम ना. देर इज नो मनी प्रॉब्लम, देर इज एन इगो प्रॉब्लम. दॅट हाव यू हॅव गॉट द बजेट विदाउट वी पुटिंग द प्रपोजल or how CM gave the money. So that's an ego problem. So we don't look at this as a problem. We look at this as a slip between the cup and the lip. So we will tell this Honorable CM that we are unable to carry forward after 31st May because you have promised us a lot of things. You have promised us DSSY, which we have not got. You have promised us some other grants which have not come. Last year's grant in certain departments, those are not sorted out, leave it. You have promised that money will be paid in advance, it is not happening. And we don't know what else we are going to ask. But as of now, we would not like to keep the ladies in the buses. It's too hot here. Okay, although the AC is there in the bus, we are leaving this place, Panjim Police Station. We appreciate PI, Vijay Chodamkar, for being patient with us. We are appreciating the Deputy Collector for making some calls. And we appreciate that Tushar Sahib has fixed up an appointment tomorrow with the CM. We will tell the CM the same thing, that if we don't have the money, sir, please find another alternative. We cannot do it. So thank you all. We appreciate media covering this agitation of ours or our demonstration or whatever troubles we are going through. And let us hope that we don't come back to the street for the full year again.
What time this appointment is given?
So he didn't tell us. He said you will get a call. You will get a call. So we will take it for truth that they will call us. They have, whenever they have said they have called, they have called.
So inmates will come tomorrow?
No, I don't think it is right to bring them out again tomorrow to the CM's bungalow. They must be already tired by now. But let us have faith that the CM will issue the instructions. We'll get the orders and things will move systematically. To stay full time in the home. We have close to 85 staff across our thing. So a lot of cost are involved. We are the only shelter home, only NGO, only whatever you call, having 2 full-time doctors. They are like RMOs, resident medical officers. So we have 1 lady, 1 gent. So that much care we are putting. We have 4 physiotherapists visiting our shelter homes. 31 2-year trained nurses are there in the shelter home. So a lot of cost are involved. And we don't feel that we should be deprived of the budget which has been allocated.
So if the budget is allocated and everything is good and from CM side, what is the need for you to meet? Why no phone call cannot do that trick?
Correct. So let us given to understand that we have told the Deputy Collector the same thing, why did you make a phone call, which he made to the director. Director gave him a reason which I don't want to accept. So basically is, since the heat is rising, okay, let us accept what the Honorable CM has instructed to come and visit him tomorrow. Let us wait for 24 hours. But I am very clear that if I don't get my money, if I don't get the orders, we will come back now with 200 people across Panjim with the Kotti, and we will not go.
फाल्यां मिटिंगेक तुमकां आपयला का अदर ऑफिशियल्स तांकां
No, that is a call the Honorable Chief Minister has to do. We are only going to tell the Chief Minister. See, they may have sorted out the issue by now, and they may be telling us something. But we want the orders or we don't want to get it.